Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to message anyone on WhatsApp without saving that contact number using Telegram app on your Android phone. So for this guys, first you need to open the Telegram app on your phone. After opening here, you need to search one bot open in WhatsApp like this. Okay, after searching guys, here you can get this type of interface. Now you need to enter your WhatsApp number. So I have entered already, as you can see guys. After this guys, here you can get one reply from the bot. As you can see guys, open in WhatsApp, just tap on it. Now it will open the WhatsApp app on your phone of that particular contact, as you can see guys, without saving that number. So this is the very easy and very simple method to message anyone without saving that particular contact number on your phone using Telegram app. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.